Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A modern bedroom in contemporary style prioritizes clean lines, functionality, and a touch of luxury. Here's what you can expect: color scheme, neutrals with pops. The color palette typically leans towards calming neutrals like white, beige, or light gray. Pops of color can be introduced through artwork, throw pillows, or accent furniture to add personality. Think jewel tones like emerald green or sapphire blue for a touch of drama, or earthy tones like terracotta or mustard yellow for a warmer feel. Furniture, sleek low profile. Furniture tends to be sleek and low profile, creating a sense of spaciousness. Platform beds with clean lines are a popular choice. Nightstands may be floating shelves or minimalist cabinets with hidden storage. Dressers might be replaced with built-in wardrobes with smooth, lacquered finishes, materials, mix of textures. A mix of textures adds visual interest. Think wood accents for warmth, glass for lightness, and high-gloss surfaces for a touch of glamour. Leather or wool throws on the bed add a cozy element. Lighting, layered lighting. Layered lighting is key for creating different moods. Recessed lighting provides ambient light, while task lighting like bedside lamps allows for reading or focused activities. Consider adding statement pendant lights or wall sconces for a touch of modern design. Decor, minimalist statement pieces. Decor is kept to a minimum, focusing on high-impact pieces. A large abstract painting above the bed can be a focal point. Sculptures or geometric vases add a touch of modern flair. Live plants and stylish planters bring a touch of nature indoors. Technology integration, smart features. Modern features like smart lighting, blackout shades, or built-in speakers controlled by voice assistants can add a touch of luxury and convenience. Overall ambience, imagine a room that feels serene, sophisticated, and clutter-free. A space that invites relaxation and reflects your personal style through carefully chosen pieces. It's a place where form meets function, creating a modern haven for rest and rejuvenation. Why choose modern contemporary bedroom design? A modern bedroom with contemporary touches offers a multitude of benefits: clean and calming. The focus on clean lines, uncluttered space, and a neutral color palette creates a calming and serene environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Timeless style. Contemporary style takes inspiration from current trends but avoids fleeting fads. This ensures your bedroom design stays fresh for years to come. Flexibility. The neutral base allows for easy personalization. You can incorporate pops of color, artwork, or unique furniture pieces to reflect your taste. Functionality. Modern design prioritizes function. Smart storage solutions like built-in wardrobes and platform beds with drawers maximize space and minimize clutter. Luxury feel. High-quality materials, sleek furniture, and well-placed lighting create a luxurious and sophisticated atmosphere. Getting started with your modern contemporary bedroom. Here's a roadmap to guide you in designing your dream bedroom. 1. Declutter and measure. Begin by decluttering your existing space. This helps you assess storage needs and available space for furniture placement. Measure your room to create a floor plan and visualize furniture arrangement. 2. Choose a color palette. Decide on your base color scheme. Neutrals like white, beige, or light gray are ideal for a modern look. Select accent colors based on your desired mood, jewel tones for drama, earthy tones for warmth. 3. Invest in key furniture pieces. Opt for a platform bed with clean lines. Choose sleek nightstands or floating shelves for storage. Consider built-in wardrobes for a minimalist look. 4. Mix textures. Incorporate wood accents for warmth, glass for a light and airy feel, and high-gloss surfaces for a touch of glamour. 5. Lighting is key. Install recessed lighting for general illumination. Add task lighting with bedside lamps and consider statement pieces like pendant lights or sconces. 6. Minimalist decor with impact. Keep decor minimal. Choose a statement piece like an abstract painting or a sculptural vase. Include live plants in stylish planters for a touch of life. 7. Technology integration. Consider adding smart features like voice-controlled lighting, blackout shades, or built-in speakers for extra convenience. 8. Personal touches. Personalize your space with artwork, photos, or throw pillows that reflect your interests. Remember, don't be afraid to experiment. Modern contemporary style allows for flexibility. Find pieces that resonate with you and create a space that feels both stylish and comfortable. Modernize your bedroom. Upgrade your sleep space with the hottest contemporary designs. This video takes you through stylish bedrooms that are both chic functional. Click to watch, get inspired. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.